Nkakwa. The phone has not sent. Hello guys, like I said, how you can fix a mic if the positive point of the motherboard is damaged, how you can repair it. So as you can see, I have to remove another mic. This point is damaged. This point, this is the ground, so the ground is damaged. So how you can fix it if you don't have another board to replace? This is how you can fix this kind of issue. So as you can see, it's working perfectly. So the ground section is damaged. So I have to solder the mic on this part of the connector, and then you can see the two positive and the audio section are connected, and it's working perfectly. So you can see the mic. Hope you can see it clearly. That is it. That's it. How you can adapt. Hope you can see it clearly. And sorry for the background noise. You can see the mic. You have to connect the 3 cables. 1, 2, 3. And this is the ground. The ground, you connect it on the close to the charging port. You see, this is the ground. But this part is damaged. So when this part is damaged, you can connect it on the ground. The other side close to the charging port. And then the positive and the audio are also connected, and it's working perfectly. So you can hear the sound. And let's do it again. Hello, testing the microphone. Guys, sorry for the background noise. As you can see, it's working perfectly well. As you can see, it's working correctly. So sorry for the background noise. This is how our area is. We used to have much noise in this place. So as you can see, that's it. Okay. So if this video helped you to learn something, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, and thanks.